Hello and welcome to Ageless Beauty Pro. I am going to tell you about a 90-second quick glow facial. Now, this is something that I was watching the TV or reading a magazine years ago, and I learned this from a facialist to the stars, a celebrity facialist. It was a trick she'd use on her clients when there was no time for a facial and she had to get them a quick glow. I tried the method, I loved it, and I still do it to this day. And here's how it goes. The 90-second facial, how to get a glow fast. Step 1, layer a good amount of creamy cleanser on your face and décolleté. I do this in the shower and do my hands and arms too. Step 2, apply a good quality facial scrub over the first and massage it in. Then over that, yes, it's 3 layers, apply a gel-based cleanser. The gel base will cut through the other 2 layers and wash it all away. You'll emerge with hydrated, exfoliated, and clean, glowing skin in under 30 seconds or 90 seconds. It's perfect to do before a night out or before bed, and then apply your best serums or oils on top, or do a microcurrent or LED treatment. Go to my blog at Ageless Beauty Coach for lots more tips and articles and advice on how to look younger. And see what I'm crazy about for lifting and toning your skin. It's like going to the gym for your face. It's a DIY lift and tone system at home with microcurrent. You can get it for $50 off at agelessbeautypro.com.